Hello, second graders. So, thought I would share a great strategy for making a very fun snowflake. A lot of my students were starting to make these this week, and I thought I'd just share this strategy. So, first things first, you're going to take a regular piece of paper. It's 8.5 by 11. You're going to fold a diagonal cut. So, what you're going to do is you're going to take this corner here and fold it up to make a triangle. So, I'm going to take it, pull it all the way up, and then push down. Make sure you get a good crease. Creases are super important with this type of thing. Now, I'm going to cut my edge off here. So you're going to make a couple of cuts with this. I'm just going to cut this one straight up. So now I have a triangle, and this is folded in. We're not going to unfold this. We're going to fold it again. So I'm going to take this corner here and make it be this corner here. So I'm going to fold it in like this. Okay. So I folded it and to a triangle, cut off the extra, folded the triangle again, undo it again. So I'm going to fold it one more time. So now I folded this 2 times, twice. And what this is going to do is this is going to give me multiple folds so that when I unfold this, I get a design. Now, the last step here, I'm not going to fold this into perfect. So this is my fold edge, and these are all of my extra folds. I'm going to fold the folded edge down like this and then cut this top off here. So this part here, if you look, this side is shorter than this angled side. So on this last fold, I'm folding it in like this. Now I'm going to cut off my top. Now, when we look at this here, you're going to have all of these folds. And when I look at my original slide, I've got this straight edge here. This edge is super important. This is your folded shape edge. So now what I do is I take my writing utensil and I draw a shape up top. So say I wanted to make a Christmas tree snowflake. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to draw half a Christmas tree. So I'm going to go down, over, down, over, down, over, and then I'm going to go across. So this is the cutout zone. Notice this is my big fold, not my little fold. And then I'm going to make some other designs, like maybe I want like a circle here and a circle there, and then cut it off here. Now I can cut this whole thing. So I'll take my scissors and I'll cut the cut area. Cut that off. Now I chose circles. That was hard on my part. This will take some muscles. It's a pretty thick piece of folded paper. And so remember, I only cut half of these at a time. Now I'm going to fold here. I'm going to cut this side here. Now, because I chose a Christmas tree, this is a little bit hard to get my big scissors in. So I'm going to cut up the edge like this in my Christmas tree. And now I'm going to just go in and do small cuts, because that's easier than trying to turn my big scissors in. Remember, we're always cutting away. And so now I go in here and I can trim here. Pull. Trim here. Pull. Pull. Got that folded in there. This one needs a little turn. And pull. Or more trimming. Got to stick with it. Might be a little hard. There we go. So this is that design I drew. Now, when I open it up, the design repeats. And it will keep repeating on every one of my folds. So I could use this design technique for any shape. I could have Christmas trees. I could have snowmen. I could even overlap 2 snowflakes and get a different pattern. I just want to show you this technique. I thought you guys would like it. So if you get your work done, this is an option for you. Thank you, friends.